Okay, we're going to do Problematic by Twin XL, catchy song. It's fairly simple. I'm going to show you two ways to play it. I'll show you an easy arrangement. And then this is the way I saw them play it on acoustic. E sharp major. Alright, so we have a G sharp major, playing a bar chord. I'm going to play F minor 7, and then a C minor 7. Okay, but the important thing about this is this rhythm. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and okay, they're playing on the off beats. 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. If you want to break it up into smaller sections of the beat, I find sometimes that is helpful. So it's like 1, 2, and then a triplet. 1, 2, 3. Keep your strumming hand going, and that's why it's sometimes helpful to play bar chords. Get that muting. All right, here's the easy version. All right, we're going to start with C major. And we're going to go to A minor 7. Then we're going to go to E minor. You're going to play this easy version, you're going to have to strum it differently. You can't, it's very hard to get the muted strings in with these open position chords. So you're going to have to be kind of more like precise with your strumming. 1, down, 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 up, down, mute. To make it sound correct, you have to really be muting the strings. To do this arrangement, you probably want to emphasize the A when you switch to the A minor 7. Because those are so close together in terms of the notes. It'll help if you play that, kind of emphasize that A. Singer, when they were playing it acoustically, was just going, the singer was completely omitting the F minor 7, so that's a further way, like if you were singing it, it's kind of a rhythmic song, it's maybe somewhat hard to sing and play. You could just go, that would be a further simplification. You could do that with this other arrangement by just going C to E minor. For this song, Problematic, so this is like a slide on the B string. You start on the 6th fret. You go up and back down. 8 to the 8th, back down to the 6th. Then you pull off to the 2nd. And then to finish it, you slide up to the 8th. And then the second part of that riff is like an answer to that. And you do the same kind of slide and back down to the 4th fret, but then you end it on the 5th fret on the G string. And the riff at the end is just kind of right out of this C minor pentatonic. Something like that. They may use this. There's an extension box on the 5th and 6th strings at the 6th and 8th. They may go down into that. Something like that. Okay, but it's all at between the 8th and the 10th frets, except for if you want to slide down between the 6th and the 8th at the on the E and A strings. And that means you would be playing, 6, 8, 10. Okay, hope that clears it up for you. Have fun playing it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.